Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of December. Before we go ahead and start the video, just a small request from all of you. Please only take what resonates with you. What doesn't resonate, you may go ahead and leave that. How we'll go about with the video is the top row will be for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like that the energies are flipped here. So let's quickly go ahead and begin. The first card that I see for you is Page of Swords, Two of Cups and Seven of Cups. Person B here has the Queen of Cups, the Fool card and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Emperor card, which is Aries energy. Now this means that either you're dealing with an Aries or you would want to get in that energy where you want to lead this entire relationship. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Page of Swords. Page of Swords is the energy where you have kind of an immature energy, but with that energy you want to discuss something. So even if it is not planned properly, you still want to discuss something with the other person. The second card for you is Two of Cups, which means an emotional connection. In some cases it means a soulmate connection that you feel with this person. So for some of you, if you have not discussed this with the other person, you would want to go ahead and talk about this. The third card here for you is Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is the energy where you have a lot of options. Okay, you have a lot of options, you have a lot of people around you, and it's kind of creating confusion for you because you don't know which one is the best one for you. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Queen of Cups. This means that they want to receive love and affection. Now Queen of Cups is the feminine energy, and again it's irrespective of gender. So it's not only for the females, it is the feminine energy, and with that energy this person wants to right now receive love and affection. The second card that I see here is the Fool card, which is again Aries energy. With a big leap of faith, this person is going to do something that they have not discussed with you. The third card is King of Cups. Now if you see, you have the King and the Queen of Cups, which means a couple here. Now with King of Cups, this person will also get into that energy where if they don't receive love, even though they feel things for you, they will not go ahead and express it because the King of Cups holds their emotions very close to themselves. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card is again the Fool card, the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. Now with the Fool energy, like I said, they will take a big leap of faith and march forward, maybe in a totally different direction. The second card is Ace of Pentacles, which means a new beginning, and that's focused more on stability. With Three of Swords, it means a third party situation, kind of a heartbreak, okay, where three people are involved. Now let's quickly see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is, it is time to release negativity. If there is anything in your life or around you or your person which is causing negativity, then it is time that you go ahead and release it. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message that we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message being, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe that the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all the love that is in everything. Now with this, there is a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.